Jamaica, the land of reggae, a place with a pulse, a melting pot of cultures, this island nation in the Caribbean Sea pulsates with a rhythm all its own. We're about to dive deep into what makes Jamaica so captivating, from its geography and history to its people and their traditions. Prepare to be swept away by the Jamaican vibe. This isn't just another travelogue. This is about understanding the soul of a nation. It's about the flavors, the sounds, and the stories that make Jamaica unique. So, grab a drink, sit back, and let's go on a journey. Jamaica is a jewel in the Caribbean Sea. Located south of Cuba and west of Haiti, it's the third largest island in the Caribbean. Don't let the size fool you. This island packs a punch when it comes to geographical diversity. We're talking rugged mountains, some of them volcanic. Think lush valleys and a coastline that'll take your breath away. And the weather? Tropical, of course. Think sunshine, heat, and humidity, especially along the coast. But don't worry, the island is blessed with cool breezes that blow in from the sea. Temperatures are warm year-round. Rainfall is plentiful, keeping everything lush and green. Just remember, hurricane season is a real thing here. Jamaica is home to nearly 3 million people. A mix of ethnicities call this island home. The majority are of African descent. You'll also find people of Afro-European, East Indian, and Chinese heritage, among others. This blend of cultures is what makes Jamaica so vibrant. Life expectancy is good. The population is relatively young. Most people live in urban areas, but rural life is still an important part of the Jamaican experience. There's a strong sense of community here, a resilience that's been forged over generations. Jamaica's story is a complex one. Before the arrival of Europeans, the island was inhabited by the Arawak people. Then came Columbus in 1494 and everything changed. Spanish colonization followed, leaving an indelible mark on the island's history. But the Spanish weren't the only ones with their eyes on Jamaica. The British seized control in the 17th century, and the island became a key player in the sugar trade. Plantations sprung up, fueled by the forced labor of enslaved Africans. The legacy of slavery is a dark chapter in Jamaica's past, but one that must never be forgotten. Emancipation came in 1838, followed by a wave of indentured laborers from India and China. This influx of cultures further enriched the Jamaican tapestry. The journey to independence was a long one, finally achieved in 1962. Today, Jamaica stands as a proud nation, forging its own path in the world. Section 5. Language and Religion. A tapestry of cultures. English may be the official language of Jamaica, but it's not the only language you'll hear spoken on the streets. Jamaican patois, a vibrant Creole language, is a unique blend of English and West African influences. It's a language full of life, rhythm, and expression. Religion plays a significant role in Jamaican life. Christianity is the dominant faith, with various denominations represented. Rastafarianism, a spiritual movement that emerged in Jamaica in the 1930s, is also an integral part of the cultural landscape. Religious freedom is respected, and the diversity of beliefs adds to the richness of Jamaican society. Section 6. Cultural Heritage. Music, Cuisine, and Festivals. Jamaica's cultural heritage is a vibrant tapestry woven from its rich history and diverse population. Music is the heartbeat of the nation. Reggae, with its infectious rhythms, has become synonymous with Jamaica. Bob Marley brought Jamaican music to the world stage. Dancehall, ska, and mento also originated here. Music is everywhere in Jamaica, from street corners to nightclubs. Jamaican cuisine is a fusion of flavors. From jerk, chicken, to ackee and saltfish, it's an explosion of taste. And don't forget the rum. Jamaica is famous for its rum production. Festivals are an integral part of Jamaican culture. Carnival, with its colorful costumes and music, is a highlight of the year. Jonkonu is a traditional masquerade celebration. Independence Day, on August 6th, is a time for national pride. Section 7. Economy and Government. Navigating challenges, embracing opportunities. Jamaica's economy is a mix of tourism, agriculture, mining, and manufacturing. Tourism is a major source of revenue, drawing visitors from around the world to its stunning beaches, lush rainforests, and vibrant culture. Agriculture plays a vital role, with sugarcane, bananas, and coffee being key exports. The Jamaican government operates as a parliamentary democracy within the British Commonwealth. The head of state is the British monarch, represented by a governor-general. The head of government is the Prime Minister, who leads the elected government. Like many countries, Jamaica faces economic challenges, including poverty, unemployment, and crime. However, the Jamaican people are known for their resilience, their entrepreneurial spirit, and their unwavering belief in a brighter future. The government is working to address these challenges, investing in education, healthcare, and infrastructure. Section 8. Education and Currency. Investing in the future. Education is highly valued in Jamaica. The literacy rate is high, and the government is committed to providing quality education for all. From primary schools to universities, Jamaica is nurturing the next generation of leaders, thinkers, and innovators. The Jamaican dollar, or JMD, is the official currency of Jamaica. While US dollars are widely accepted, it's always a good idea to use local currency when possible. ATMs are readily available in cities and towns, and credit cards are accepted in most establishments. Section 9. Jamaica's Global Influence. Music, sports, and natural beauty. Jamaica's influence extends far beyond its shores. Its music, its athletes, and its natural beauty have captivated the world. Reggae music, born in the ghettos of Kingston, has become a global phenomenon, spreading messages of peace, love, and unity. Bob Marley's music continues to inspire generations, transcending borders and cultures. In the world of sports, Jamaica is a force to be reckoned with. Usain Bolt, the legendary sprinter, is a global icon, known for his lightning speed and charismatic personality. Jamaica's athletes consistently dominate in track and field events, bringing pride and recognition to their small island nation. And let's not forget Jamaica's breathtaking natural beauty. From the turquoise waters of Montego Bay to the cascading waterfalls of Dunn's River Falls, Jamaica is a nature lover's paradise. The Blue Mountains, shrouded in myths and legend, offer breathtaking views and a chance to connect with nature's tranquility. Jamaica is a land of contrasts, a place where vibrant culture meets breathtaking natural beauty. It's a place where resilience is a way of life, where music is the heartbeat of the nation, and where the spirit of the people shines through, no matter the challenges. Jamaica is an island that will stay with you long after you've left its shores, a place that will forever hold a special place in your heart.